Riyadh Air's first flight has been delayed due to a delay in the delivery of Boeing 787-9 planes. The airline, which planned to start operating by mid-2025, now expects to launch in the third quarter of 2025. The first plane is being assembled at Boeing's factory, but supply chain issues have caused the delay. Riyadh Air is working closely with Boeing to stick to the updated schedule for more planes later in 2025. Unlike other airlines, Riyadh Air cannot use older or rented planes while waiting for its new fleet. Despite this, the airline has made progress, hiring over 60 pilots and cabin crew. It also expects to get approval to operate from Saudi aviation authorities in the coming weeks.